Hello, I'm Robert, and you're welcome here in my busy little shop. On today's episode of What's on My Workbench, I've got one of my ranch hand belts that has come back. It came back because the gentleman been on a diet and he lost a bunch of weight, and we need to shorten this belt by 3 inches. Obviously, I could add 3 more holes easily here. Then you get into cutting this off. Maybe you just cut it, between one of these last holes and have holes to the end. But that's not the belt design or how it's going to look. So I'm going to shorten it on this end. The slot for the buckle complicates things just a little bit here, especially with 3 inches being taken off because 3.5 is the middle of the slot. So that means this bottom screw here is going to be in that spot there. So we're going to have to come up with a creative way of fixing that. So let's get over here on the workbench. I appreciate you taking time to be within the shop today. All right, so the task is this gentleman purchased this belt from me, and he's been on a diet and he's lost weight. So he's cinched all the way up to here. So instead of trying to cut off the end of the belt and shorten this, I'm going to take apart the buckle end here, and we're going to shorten it on this side. So I'm not going to say a lot. We'll just let you follow along here. Well, there you go. That's one way of doing it. You know, you can probably come up with a couple different ways of adding to that. You know, what I may have done differently or could have done differently is I could have left a little bit longer tail on here and added an extra hole here, and that would have shifted potentially away from that slot. But I think backing up the leather with another piece of leather, this screw really doesn't do all that much work. This one here does the majority of the work. This just keeps it closed so that you don't lose your keeper. So I think it'll work fine. Customer's happy with it. So I appreciate you taking time to be with me in the shop today. Please like, share, and subscribe. But more importantly, I hope you have a great day.